We're here with Quality Cooling, installing a 2.5-ton RH1T air handler. We're replacing a very old ring. It's a complete installation, a complete replacement. I'm here with Tito from Quality Cooling.
Ruud, for us is a very good unit, you know, because we install a lot of this unit and we don't have a problem, any problem. In other brands, well, doesn't matter mention brands, you know, we have the motors broke, we have leaks or something like that, you know, and that's a problem with us, with the customers, you know.
So you would say that it's very easy to install and it's very trustworthy?
Yes, yeah, and that is very easy to install, it's no problem, nothing. No, it's a very
All right, let's go take a look at what we're doing.
Okay, let's do.
Go ahead,
Yeah,
please.
okay. And this.
So here's what we're installing.
Exactly, yeah.
All right, awesome.
The space looks short, you know, but no, we are going to adapt.
You're gonna
no problem. Yeah.
Space looks short, but you're
Exactly.
gonna adapt.
Yeah,
Okay.
because prefer install that kind the air handler because it's a little more efficient, you know, than the other one because the other one is shorty. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Well, we working with Tropic for a long time. We have a good service. The guys are awesome, you know, everything, you know. Yeah,
Right.
yeah. And the parts is important. You
Parts
know,
is
when
important.
we need some parts, it's always in stock, you know.